ready? You want to go see? Okay, move, Kaka. Go see.
Come see if Ho-Ho brought you some presents.
Come on, man.
What is that? Did Ho-Ho bring you a four-wheeler? Uh-huh. Yay, Chloe!
Hey,
Yeah!
right.
Good girl.
That was so good.
Kaya.
That was so good. Now there it goes. You got a whole bunch of presents.
Look at what all Ho-Ho brought you.
You got some presents. Presents.
Yeah, bike. Yeah, you see that farm? Who brought you that? Who brought you all that? Ho-Ho?
How brought you all those presents?
Can you say Ho-Ho?
You want to open your presents? Okay, go for it.
Nope.
Go, girl. Oh. Okay, let's see. Let's see about it. Okay.
Oh, wrapped that box real good, didn't he?
What's in here? What
Hey,
is
Chloe.
this?
Chloe, look.
It's fish. Oh. Hey, fish.
You get the fishies kisses.
You love it? Look what happens. Let me show you. Let me show you. Okay? Oh, it didn't happen.
It's got a plug in it, baby. Look halfway down the cord. Look halfway down the cord. The fishies light up.
You want to open another present? Okay, then. Open up another one. Sorry, Miss Lacey. Good girl. There you go. Rip it, baby girl. Okay, let's see then. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come look. What did you get? Look what you got a dress.
Is that so pretty?
Okay. Let's open another one. Let's open another present. What about that one? Okay, then. Open, yeah. Open. What is it? What is it? You got some socks. Socksies. Okay, you want to open another one?
You want to open this big one?
Oh. Let's open it. Yeah, go for it. Keep going. You can do it. What did you get?
Here, pull it right here. Oh. Pull that one. Hey, look, Chloe. Put it right there. Here.
You got a baby. Look at that baby.
Open. You want to open another present? All right, let's go get another present to open. Get that one with the kitty cat. See with the picture of the kitty cat right there? See that bag? Yeah. What's in there? Yeah, what's inside it? What kind of presents in there? What did Ho Ho bring you in there? No, I didn't bring you a kitty.
She went to her. Do you have one?
Blow Ho Ho a kiss. Say thank you, Ho Ho.